Hello class and welcome to my class. This is lesson 4 and the name of the lesson that is a Florence Nightingale. Let's see what is in the story. This is the story of an extraordinary young woman who brought about huge changes in the healthcare system of England. ये स्टोरी एक एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी वुमेन की है जिसने इंग्लैंड में एक बहुत ही हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम में बहुत बड़ा चेंज किया था. शी बॉर्न इन फ्लोरेंस इटली इन 1820. शी वॉज नेम्ड आफ्टर द प्लेस ऑफ हर बर्थ. I was just a little boy with eye fought in the Crimean War, and like this hundreds of soldiers who were injured, I was brought to the hospital at Scutari in Turkey. In 1854, Scutari, Turkey, the hospital was filthy. There were rats and fleas everywhere. If I close my eyes, I can still remember the smell. Over the next few weeks, I fell very ill. I watched a lot of my friends die from infections. One night, as I lay there feeling wretched, I saw her for the first time, the lady with the lamp. I need this place spotless. She bragged into the awful place and took control at once. The Crimean War was military conflict fought from the October 1853 to February 1856. Now come on to the next page. How are you feeling today, my Andrews? For the first time in our life, she made invalids feel respected. Everyone soon learned that the Florence wasn't like other nurses. Florence had always excelled at her lessons. She wanted to help people by becoming a nurse when she grew up. In 1832, divorces England. Her parents, on the other hand, didn't encourage this. They hated that she wanted to become a nurse. They thought nursing wasn't a job fit for a lady because hospitals were dirty and horrible places. Her parents are not liking the job of the nurses, so they don't want that she become nurses. They think that the hospitals are the horrible places. I will write you to every week. Before Florence persisted, her parents finally allowed her to train as a nurse in Germany. उसके बाद उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसको अलाउ कर दिया था that she will do the nursing. News of the Crimean War and the horrible state of the British hospital reached Florence's ears, so that she set out the battlefields, taking with her a team of 38 nurses. This was the first time women were officially allowed to serve in the British Army. While you sit here, thousands are dying because of the insanitary hospitals. Every day at the Scutari hospital was a fight for the Florence. A lot of the male doctors hated the way she ordered them around, but none of them dared silence her. But Florence reports were taken seriously by the government. They sent a team to inspect the conditions at the Scutari hospitals. The team discovered that the hospital was built on the sewer and that the patients were all drinking contaminated water. जो हॉस्पिटल था वो एक सीवर के ऊपर बना था और जितने भी वहाँ पे पेशेंट्स थे वो गंदा संदा पानी वहाँ पे पी रहे थे. Florence had tackled an important problem that the more soldiers died due to the disease than the battlefield because how of the unclean hospitals were. She fought for the cause of better sanitization in hospitals, both at home and the abroad. Almost at once, the death rate began to fall. Florence Nightingale died at the age of 90. Her work to improve hospital sanitization and healthcare revolutionized the field of nursing and changed how patients were treated all over the world. Good night, you old bird. You are the reason I am still alive. This is a story by the C.G. Salamander. He was a fiction writer and a storyteller. Salmon began to writing full time in 2012. His stories and comics were appeared in a very short story collections and magazines. Okay, it's all about the story and the writer. If still you are having any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section of the Google Classroom. Till then, bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day.